Welcome back, I'm Rachel, and in this video I'm going to go over the structure and function of the brachial vein. Firstly, where is this vein located? The brachial vein is located in the upper arm and elbow region of each arm. If we take a closer look at the veins on the anterior surface of the right arm, we can see the brachial vein highlighted in red. Where does this vein originate? This vein originates and receives blood from the union of the radial vein and the ulnar vein. The end of the radial vein can be seen here highlighted in yellow, whilst the end of the ulnar vein can be seen highlighted in blue. What is the course of this vein? This vein runs proximally up the medial side of the upper arm. This vein ends by uniting with the basilic vein. The basilic vein can be seen here highlighted in yellow. This union forms the axillary vein, which can be seen here highlighted in blue. What is the function of this vein? This vein's primary function is in the transportation of deoxygenated blood from the arm up to the shoulder region. From here, the blood drains into the axillary vein and onwards on its way back to the heart. And that concludes this video on the structure and function of the brachial vein. I hope you found it helpful.
Thank you for watching. If you want to support this channel, please subscribe and check out more of my videos.